Welcome to this video on the sourcing wizard. We're going to have a look here at the sourcing rule creation and update process. On the sheet we have the sourcing rule, effective date and shipping method. And here we'll just upload the data and you'll see how quick and easy it is to create sourcing rules. We've also got an error on the last record just to show you how the validation works. So you'll see all the records apart from row 39 will load. So we need to fix this error. There's two ways of doing it. You can manually do it in Excel, or we could use the user form. In this case here we use the user form, and that'll provide us with the correct list of values. So we see here that M1 is the only organization we're allowed to use. So now that that's valid, we simply just upload the record. And that's complete. Now let's create a new sheet, and here we'll do some updates to some sourcing rules. I'm not quite sure the sourcing rule names, so I'm just going with anything that begins with SR in the M1 organization, and it's got a 22 at the end. And you'll see this was brought back 7 sourcing rules for us. In this case here we're going to change the description on the first line item. And we'll set that to update. We're also going to change the shipping information here. In this case we're going to buy from a supplier. So we select our supplier and we'll add a supplier site as well. Now we want to use that same supplier for some of these other records. We simply use Excel copy and paste functionality. For the last 3 records we're just going to change the source type to transfer from another organization. In this case we'll choose M2 and we'll copy that to all 3 records. Now we set a default in the shipping action because we want to update all of these records. This saves us having to put it in row by row, and we simply press upload. And if we look to the left here, we'll see all of these changes have been accepted. And that's the basics of sourcing rule functionality in the sourcing wizard.